Share your mind don't reach ground, your mind don't cool down, Abi. I believe say as don't answer you now, you don't solve this problem. This saga where they go on and this problem, you don't solve them. As JJ Body don't come reply you now, this problem where they between Akobe now, you don't solve them. And they ask you easy. Because who can say, I don't know where we say, oh my de yo gwa out de yo go. You understand? Eke mu layu we Taliban, oh my only my phone echo. What go to the share by no here la by. You dey feel me so? I believe say you dey hear your story. Your story. Me might only make one. When can one way now?
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
You have a point there.
Thank you, my people. Hope with this person, God will bless you. Unshakable. Yes. Oh, no, I have a passport. Every time I get on tail, when I give him the visa to boy. Oh, no, the calling okay. Visa, where the only thing he did was he bought tickets because already I could be visa. I could have told him. Ni never to buy the ticket. Ni want to buy when no problem. Where we have the ticket. Do you know how much it is to do a visa in Lagos?
Damn. Now here, I believe now here. Look at play our senior bros. But now JJ Barry. Oh yeah, let us hear.
To undo your SSs, but I think it's getting too much for you. This is my last and final warning to you. You asked me a question. With the Momako Berry in London for the first time? Yes. I'm answering you. Yes.
Yes.
Momo in London for the first time. I did his visa.
Oh.
Right from packaging the visa to invitation to visa fee and flight ticket. I paid everything. I paid his visa fee. I bought his flight ticket. I packaged the visa. I sent the invitation. I did everything myself.
Nanga. Ross, you do well. God bless you. Another one for your talk. If you leave the ruins where you do the deformation of character or no characteristics, you not even talk about this one, Jenna. Only this answer where you can't give them. You say no. For me, that one is okay. I'm okay with that one. Now the film so I'm not gonna block anybody today. If you like, when I write rubbish, because majority of now when they see the comments, some of them are not guessing. Some for inside guessing. Why some not guessing? You understand? But for those one with guessing, they learn more, they gather sense more. You understand? Yes, my people. You see our presenters. First of all, me I talk to Easy first. Me I just iron Easy sharp before I go meet our presenters. Easy, you ask questions according to the way Akobete talk to you. Now you can't say address. Oh God, this is two fighting. see play, see fight. Which one you choose? no, nobody else this more. Oh, put sound for here, put sound for here. Oh yeah, see play, see fight. Which one you choose? Which one you choose for inside? Choose fight, choose play. Which one you choose? This one, choose fight. Easy, choose fight. Okay. This now fight. The person where they destroy that industry and when they bring that industry leg, they come out. Now easy. Easy. Now the film is so. Where all Zaganini. Where all was Zaga. Now, see now. You now goddaughter to Akobe. Akobe call you because you be presenter. You understand? Akobe call you, don't talk to you, finish. You come live video, can't talk. Waiting I could tell you for back. You call talking for live video. You understand? I mean, I could better more immediately. One will tell a live video. To the extent you will bold. Call what be name? JJ Barry make it come out, come answer you. If na effect bring Akobe come for the first time. And truly, JJ Barry still come answer you because ik mengo will be na. You understand? JJ Barry don't look you so you be small girl. You understand? He really can't answer you because why? Now Akobe send you message. Now the message, not be you. Me I tell you one thing you don't understand for this video where I play so. Not be easy. JJ Barry can't answer. Now easy be the mouthpiece where you speak out for public. You understand? The person where send easy message, now JJ Barry answer. Now the truth. You feel me so? Now JJ Barry answer. Good and fair. We understand the manner, but nobody see the side of easy when easy talk. Some of our presenters we carry head nagran. Nobody see waiting easy talk. Nobody see bad side with easy talk. They only see when JJ Barry come out talk. JJ Barry supposed you don't big past this one. You're not supposed to answer. And but I like the way JJ Barry take answer. Where you understand? Now JJ Barry don't answer you easy. Share your mind don't reach ground, your mind don't cool down, Abi. I believe say as don't answer you now, you don't solve this problem. This saga where they go on, and this problem you don't solve them. As JJ Barry don't come reply you now, this problem where they between Akobe now, you don't solve them. And they ask you easy. Because who can say either the way say, oh my de yo gwa out de yo go. You understand? Eke no la you we Taliban, or my only my phone we cool. Wa go na be sheshe get by no here la by. You dey feel me so? I believe say you dey hear your story. Your story. Me might only make one. When can one you now easy the gwele. No go no best story you social media. Story you dey no go social media. The magi gwani ah. Story you ya viola dane. Still si kale so kwa wo. Owu wa bi jo gba we kiapa. Wa ga si mi ye kiapa. Dare. Ama e fi pa mi ari egbewe. Ele a live video presenter you need to continue it. You understand? You need to start replying. I only comment. Don't be only comment section. You go the comment. You need to come and reply live video with the people with the saga. You need to follow, join them for saga. You understand? Even when I tell now, we boyfriend you will be on back on we boyfriend you will be on. You understand? Umaya la jana no di for me no tawe no debunker and anywhere or a matter no. Ire boyfriend you gile be omona. But you na we kiakba otedu a celebrity actress. Or if you had you do vie nenuwe. Wa you na drag kiakba wana we le one le two. Oh God. Everybody the Visha on our sally. You have pick your arrow name. Where the size 11. You have you pick your arrow name. Where the size 11. Oh God. Call. Understand? You have you a mortal. I wouldn't make bed where you have you pick your arrow name. Where the size 11 never. You have you pick your arrow name. Where the size 11 never. Bonnie yani ama some kunkwa at least we be yo. You born for your mother's boyfriend. Your mother you born for your mother boyfriend. How are they going to be calling your children? Your children, your child and your mother, your child and you. I don't understand. Your stepfather is now the father of your child. Can you? I'm going to explain. What did I call them? Your easy stepfather is now the father of easy child. Stepfather, father step grandmother, father step grandmother, grandmom dad, father grandmom husband, grandma grandma, daddy, and what to your pikin. Which kind of name go they call you in papa? in papa, the same in papa, nice to be in grandfather. You don't understand? I don't. Hold on. No, because your father now is your father. Now be the grandpa. Oh, I want how you want confuse this your pikin. Oh. You want confuse your pikin. You don't understand? Father, grandfather, abi father, pa, grandpa, father, pa. So you get this kind of dirty attitude and dirty story. And now you carry your phone the all live video. Are you mad? You don't run it as. I don't understand. I bet when I write the name of this boy, this easy picking go they call him father. Because if not true, say na him mama girlfriend, na him impregnate easy. Him mama boyfriend, na him impregnate easy. Oh God. Oh God. I beg when I help me, I don't understand. I don't go school there. When I write and come on. Easy. Easy. Omoruji, him mother, boyfriend, na him give easy belle. According to stainless, you know, you understand? Also, there's a bit of Europe. They don't need if not true to another day, you understand? If not truth, say na your own mama boyfriend. You understand? Onyogo, ofiogo. Your mama fiogo. Where's the fiogo you? The person with the fiogo you, mama the fiogo you. Now you give you belly when you get that picking when you born so. No, what's your picking? Go they call you in papa now. Daddy, and I say me daddy, next the summer in grandma, daddy, grandma's fucking no. Oh, I want to call her daddy, grandma, boyfriendy. I mean, oh God. I don't want to talk too much. I know this is I don't want to fire you because I don't be because I come out today. Just want to come let you know that they don't answer you. May you come out for saga, may you continue. You understand? That one, they want side. Now, a lot of our presenters, what's the name? You know, thank God say you don't over your head. Will I say, as you over your head, breeze on the enter your breast small. As you over your head, breeze on the enter your breast small. You know the will I say they get that sense. Hey God, the will I say they get that sense. Thank God for Mama Laura. Man, Lord, that juju you say you use it by hair, so use that you make it BS. Because if you shave the BS, you go know say you don't become father. Because he don't know since he don't become father. You understand? He don't know say he don't become father. So tell him make it bring the BS down some more, maybe so that breeze go touch his neck. You understand? So that he go get sense the more. Make for no say he don't become father. You understand? Before get sense, before no say he don't get children. You feel me so? Because even you will be well, not be say you get sense. So you understand? You don't see your body. Because if you say you get sense, all those rubbish we could talk about live video. Where your husband, the baba here, if you know they talking for math, I'll give you the last time. When you're born that twins, I'll be like a home. When I can hear me, you do. You understand? Hey, you school. No think of the picking grew small, you start school. Just the talk of bon. Wow, bon no yo. You understand? Yo. Only now one side, or you know get the row. We know the rose warning. You talk about blame money, Umenwan. You understand? Okay now, stainless in oro. Stainless. Vedugweji. Amani did not hear born away. Easy man did not hear born away. Easy on Moruji. Easy never know supposed to cost you because you don't really well one able. You understand? Easy no need to cost you. That's the reason why. I want to get away for years. You don't know say they collect you don't go collect work for all those dancer hand for Nigeria. You know you don't for many years. Although I believe you or a musician of Nigeria. We're not going to get the musician really. Now musician call you now you could dance, you could be dancer. Side a lot of one of Europe. If you need to see a lot of one of Europe, side a lot. Always side a lot of one of Europe. Tell us. Anyway, I don't need to talk to you because you are a condemned elements. About what is Morocco? What is Morocco? What is Morocco? You understand? Anyway, yeah, I mean you because how can you just come out? Go to come tell us who are you machine? You go enter machine. You know, who you on a ban. You are dead among the living. You go bleach. It remains when you bleach your intestine. All your mates, they fair, you want fair. Umaka bleach, you mark you bound. Now when you call the bleach, then you want to talk to human being. How can you see the way you bleach? Before you even bleach, you know, go clear your face first. Let your face first smooth. So you see my face, man, I be this man. Now man be this one, man. You see pimples, you see and look. If you not see where, maybe I'll show you my face. Look face where? Look face. You see pimples? You never work on your face, make your face smooth. Oh, I can marry. Go barber your hair before you talk to about this man. Yagbeto, before you talk to me, go shave down your hair. Bath where? Kaya wene. Before you go go Yaduk mak boyegbe. Leave all those China, those Alibaba clothes you wear. Dress good, look decent before you come talk to Baba with this man. You understand? Now you first start live video. Look at your life today. 16K followers. You never still monetize. Why would they be? You did open page to page. Uma did ever a guy. Oh no more leg boy idea no you get sense. Or more money government going come Europe, carry picking, go give government, won't go do prostitution. You feel me? Can you imagine? We are talking about this my one. I'll make a here, we'll make our mind away. You see the frustration when you enter your body after many years in Europe. Now you want to take Ude Nigeria as a mentor because of mass away, because of sale here. Travel is a part of education when you're not educated. Traveling is a part of education. I don't see any education in you. You're too dirty to my liking. Being one by sister. See, bleaching hair, I must say, it's not by bleaching will make you fine. Who don't fine, from Mama Bele. Not by bleaching. If you like, you bleach all your hair, bleach everything to your toe, bleach your clitoris. You understand? What a day between Esther and Destiny. If you are so close to Esther, you know if you come out with your brokers, talk something reasonable than to join one side. You dey join Esther, they insult the Akoberian. Are you okay? Now that one you want to bring solution to the problem. I'll manuwe. Esther Mogebe. Esther Tinye Magbe. He may know when I say less. Esther Magbe. Abako Benoro Magbe. The no mas be we here. When I get back. You dey okay? Okay, that's okay, that's okay. I'm on the right. A frustration of man, you cannot even use your own live video to talk something reasonable. What why Sigma no atalo ni ha? What you say Boroko? What by you say Boroko e bona? A presenter that ni ko di live video no make say Boroko wa. Presenter yani we live video. All these female presenter no we live video. They no make say Boroko wo here. Do you see them going crazy the way you're mad? Not the platform where I say something reasonable. Me might blame when I start blame. Esther because what Esther told you, that's what you came out of live video to say. Everyone we talk about live video, we talk well, we make here. One must know ye, ni me here, ya not we talk about live video. We all walk, we might do when we're what time now. We will do tell us here. We only present on him in the year. No matter what kind. Do you know how many presenters are here in here? Do you know how many presenters are here? No matter all we need is peace. Look for how to solve this problem. Make peace between them. Then what about the bus? You people are the problem of all this celebrity. The problem of celebrity have is some of you, the live video presenters. You have the one you endorse. You have the one you take as your pet, your paddy. You have the one be your godmother, godfather. What is godmother? Hey, why Nigeria? Why you Nigeria with godfather, godmother? Are you people ashamed? The people that are supposed to be using you people as a godfather, godmother, you people are the one using that as godmother. You people don't get sense. Who are more than a button? Why not go tell wise? You come out on live video. Why is that Kobe? What Fiesta? Why is that Kobe? What Fiesta? You don't get sense. Will that solve the problem? Will that solve the problem that we have at hand now? Or can they insult everybody? They press 24-bit or insult 24-bit, press everybody. You think that one I will bring solution to all this problem will be passed through now? We don't need more insult. What do we need that solution? What do we need na solution? Not be to come and insult this one, to come and insult this one. And the see of now they do video. How they sit down already now. Me eba no wale ne nwa. Wani bu me ya ge no we Monica noro. Oni ya mo video me do anu na se video me. Oni ka me ka oni ka frustrated ni oni maka dey yo because of him. Omo na bu saga dey view. Omo na wo saga eni ono ge. Amana tiebo, amana usaga, amana weredia, amana weredia. Look at where I don't want to go back to my vomit again. You see, this is why I'm different from you people. It's how you people are hypocrites. Even when we're to finish, we start. What you guys know you cannot finish, that's what you start. Monica, there was a comment. I don't want to go back to my old time again. Now, I don't know how to talk. In my way, baby, I can't you. You want to go? Even we can't you again. Ekin we ka do e we do na Monica women not her. Ekin we ka do saga we man we go back. We are not drag we go back to saga. We are not drag we to go back to saga. Isn't that the same saga that you say you don't want to do? Not me you couldn't do now. And they ask you my question to you be that one answer me. Not be the same atrocity where you feel commit. We be say you know what all this problem with the grand. So who is the cause? Monica we don't. Are you not the one? I can have a lot of have a subway. Maybe you don't even see to understand where the problem is. Now just come on, back. Esther not good. The body not good. 24-bit not good. Jacobeg not good. This one good though. And this one I like pass. And this one good pass. This one don't suffer too much. You can't pick it on this one. This one when I die. Can no mas can are you going to can back thing? We go back all of my back. Now ask everywhere. All the must see no one get content. Thank God I don't give all of my content this year. Now what they do? We have content. We have gather viewers. No matter we live video there, a yellow live video because of say Esther dot by Akobegi. Esther dot by Akobegi. This one go join Akobegi. My message to Esther dot by. My message to Akobegi. My message to Adokbai. Hey God, they cannot do what we are here. All of you they talk. This one, Dare still let's see. If we move away. None of them get better to the other. Mama Ologogoro one of Germany. Ologogoro one of Germany. Ologogoro one of Germany. Ologogoro one of Negwemu. No my care wokan. O my care wokan o hu agbon yi. Ekwemu. O ye my belly carry live video. O ye gbom e why am we here in Nigeria. E bon you think that's how it is, man. It's all about positivities. That is how it is, man. They bomb man. Ekwemu. Ayemo yo on me we no really do we mabon wo we do wa are wa do agun aye mato no concern we do wa sun wa vivie kon yo wa kun vie kon wa kun yo wa won me bon wo we do we me do we bon so mo na ho we do no bia ki bia yo no we do It's my kingdom. I love my kingdom. I love my kingdom. But you have taken your bride away from your kingdom. Take it on that country. Oswo. Shekebo mugu. Shekebo Oswo. Shekebo kai. Why kai no do Oswo ipalo wewa? Oh, I can't act working in the live video. Who before I was in live video can't act working in money. Who you want to go where? Lusungu. She's older than me. Peter Gosson. Now I block him for here. Like madman. When she insult his head for that side, you know they see her. When she insult his head, all those kind woman, don't drink and can't finish, don't smoke, both finish. They enter live video, call them misbehave, they talk anyhow. Get off my platform. You understand? None of you now don't come out, can't talk the solution to this problem. Can't say, give na here to solve a problem na hina. Na ya to make a peace na hina na hina. Wa master ta down this na agbo na no pare o de bakobe o agbe star. We de bakobe yan, we have Vesta. Vesta who? We de bakobe yan, na the disgongon Esther, the humiliate Esther. Esther get forth, Akobe get forth. He cut her before. I said it before. The both of them are wrong. None of them perfect. So God will not reason waiting pass. Because all of them are dead this live video. When all those things solved that year. This same me. Now they come and they talk to Monica that time. When Esther do all these things. None of them are talking about them. Right from time now they talk all these things, they come. When all those audio come out, by now you got a solution now. About what I want you, about you, about that way you go, about we don't want to hear those things. It don't pass. 2022, what we need is a solution. Okay, no know the echo. What it passes did not pass. Today on that day, life goes on. You think of how I go to make deliberate today. Now the boss they put something mind for mind. Something will get something woman matter. So they put on mind since yesterday. Do whatever they both holding your wow. Who you understand? See, now you be the problem of this issue when they can't now. It is. You know where now? You know where? I love calling it this again. Now me talking boldly. I give you content more than they use until they grow, until they get viewers. But I'm not get sense now. All of them are so. Because I already the world, the way you come on, they look the sense with inside. You understand? And I wait till I talk not truth. Lie the inside. Lie the. When I don't let us talk. When don't let us talk. JJ Barry and 24 bits. Now then we get now they go put solution to this problem with the ground. Oh yes. You understand? I don't want it. I don't want to talk because I don't want to make people come close on that way we put the entire UK. Waiting I talk, I get my evidence. You feel me? You dey mad? You just said they talk anyhow. You understand? This one where 24 bit where come here I play video for now. Well, about this man investigator of now. Well, let me talk. I got one. Really busy at all. Okay, now your head just straight. I went to the match of my own flying away. Or you my way, I had that for money.
At all. We are very straight.
Wa ha 24 bit November. Don't my UK ni no mapa. I want to talk on that one now. You understand? This video now we are playing. I want to analyze this video now. Me when I tell 24 bits make it come swear. If you never carry person come UK, we not come out. They can swear. As we speak right now, if 24 bits never carry person come that UK, we not come out. We not go back. I don't want to mention their name. When I keep quiet. When I keep quiet. When I don't inform sense. You feel me so? If 24 bit never carry person come UK, we not go back. I will officially report them as a day so. I feel do one. You understand me so? We say we keep quiet, but we just let peace reign. When I talk say, when I keep quiet, when I boy a gunu wa my ropa. Why we love you why they say wa love you wa. You know what they play? Nothing like jealousy. When I relax, when I cooperate, we do what is people what was it video na head was it? Elite bari han gon head ogun. Head does it. Why you can read buwa? Ona mo na re na ko na ho. Ona mo na ro na ho. Iya ku. Bo ma gan yan ikuru wipu yan eva ni wasato yan eva. What is your problem? What do I for sent me live video? It will be for me sent me live video. We will know the story because we will keep quiet. Then do I man say lo mama yaye? Oh yes. Na do ama, no say lo ama, maje. Ama kwa lezo. So why your boy agunu wa settle avec akobebe a destiny is equal. A business will continue. E ba di ye mu yaye. No why I go to here 24 bit and JJ Barry settle Akoberian and Destiny. These are you people near patronizing here. Why have been in UK for sure. You understand? As a show promoter, settle them amicably. Let peace reign. You understand? Not be joke. If we not settle them, if no one do show, we go saga now. We go scatter the show with saga. And the truth. That time I call police to man talk. Waiting I know. I'll be loud. We know they quarrel. These are our people. Tomorrow the first day help me. You understand? If the life did not help me, God already helped me. You feel me so? The truth now they tell you now. You know good say you know they play. All of them they do kun. Ona ye bogwalona. Ona ye bogwalona. Ona aswele na dogobo. Ona aswele na dogobo for one Benin. For instance, one Benin there. What do I paint my man yere obo? Edo to the world. Akugbo etin. The man who are deceived. You people are only respecting the people in the diaspora while you are humiliating yourself back in Nigeria. You don't respect even the elders in Nigeria. But you are respecting even if 50 euros. I see the day Akobedu video, it was praising Enogi. Enogi, no, we are praising Enogi because Enogi gave 100 euro or your account. But you forget now, you are not even giving respect to the own people that people give you, people started life with in Benin. Money live video no mind no duro wa praise wa ari ogodima e ma no hin kwa no de guware obuwa no de guware wedo wa respecting ya. Is that not a shame? Is that not a shame? People no ma hin no rewe bu mo na duro the government pay go na ya de nyare ebe because nya white 100 euro give wa Nigeria wa worship yan I think yan wa e ma ni wa guware ogwa no ke million no wa adiku wa ku yen gbo mo se ba 1 million 100 euro ni are bi wa ni wa praise man yi ma nya agbele yi wa mo ku ikopa wa praise yan wa ma di yan exist wa yan gba awe yan negbe wa awe yan negbe e ma ni ma yan ni re obo na adu awa atian ma ni ma eku ni ma ni ma ri bai wa atian ma the government be ri bai na wa atian ma mo da wa arewebo. The people in Nigeria which people don't respect them. The people will not be proved to us where who are akugbe wa ma kugbe. Mama, I got that kind of life in it. This is 2022. We need peace. We need unity. And the only way to make unity is 24-bit and JJ Barry. To make peace with you people. That is my stand. You understand? That is my stand. I'm going to comment. I'm going to rubbish. Because why? Why not comment to Mama? Wow, career. No magi na mia o miege yagin akwena ba beti e pada mai paisa nya ni paisa no nta tae e paisa no nta ni 100 euro uri your account €100 where you cause a problem you are to turn for no I see the level. That is what people are doing on daily basis. Also, the Nika but you are. You understand? When you see the truth, don't side anybody. The two of them are good in their own feed. Akobeya Gwasi one in his own feed. Esther Dokpaye Gwasi one in his own feed. Oh yes. These are the two people in my head now. Yes, they are going. These are the only two people on the Yewebo. These are the two people on Yewebo. Madele 1 year. They are coming to Europe. You understand? What is the problem here now? Because we on Yewebo and Yewebo. And Esther is also feel proud. Akobeshan is feel proud. The both of them feel proud. That's not what we want. We want peace. I'm going to talk. Esther came to Europe the other day. You came to settle Enogi. We were there by a part of the You lower yourself down. You'll be lawyer. You'll be a lawyer. I also told you with a video. See, when you settle Yanana, I said, what? I make a peace with Akobe. No matter what, Akobe said, you should also know Esther is your daughter. We have a just standing. We were talking yesterday. If you want to go and understand, you were lying to Destiny, and Esther was there. Esther doane enwaya gwayo. Esther doesn't know her home. You use brain to talk on it. Because if you time Esther, okay, you have a Destiny. If you have a Destiny, a Destiny do you have a star. So my brother, you need to use brain. Oh, you don't get it. My brother, my daughter, it's okay. On the egg. When you have a very auto, in your one, when I go one, a caterpillar will wake up on the Uma fence those illegal. No, when I go when we that's why the sport car. No, I look. No, not the Grotty River. No, I get to have with the higher oko. We are telling me to do you ganya. Imagine to the what then also not tifun because you don't here tifun when you tell ganya. Understand? So I'll be lying with the feel proud. Divine favor. Don't be lying. Truth be that one. Man, if you're my tifun, you understand? My wife, no, bring yourself down. Esther is a mother. He carried about 4 days ago. I told you, you are a mother. You are a mother. Oh, where they were born already. You understand? Calm yourself down. Oh, we know carry only because we will not help you. We scatter things for you. I'm telling you the truth. Only will not help you. It will scatter things for you. It will spoil things for you. Ude a still lesson where you are talo money. Still lesson no dance. Still lesson where you are talo man still lesson. Still lesson man goes lesson where you are talo man. Esther. Still lesson where you are talo man. Still lesson no matter about over here. No more the government. The webu. Where more be where you webu na. Still lesson more than the government die. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Still lesson where you are go. No control you. Still lesson no matter where. Still lesson no bath. Where they still less with a live video? A bleaching and bewa. Esther we bleach ya. Where they have access to less. Do we really like less? We're going to go less go. Where have access to less? Look at admit to not okay, when we have a live video. Okay, when you are seeing you say anyway. Where have access to less? If you truly love that woman, or my bleach your body, we're not gonna ban me. Or you're not gonna fail ban me because hospital. Where have access? Ese lesi kuma to lesi ina wono no yiragbon onti we agere love lesi Esther where you onti your wu ne we kedo gwegbon abu we no wu nu ya ku ikore we ma get mara woman. It doesn't say anything bad. You want everybody to be supporting you. Esther, you want everybody to be supporting you. Is that what you want? Even when you are wrong? Don't you know you also have your side where you're wrong? Why have a biro? Neither the talk of Benoro. I could be a woman video. We work with banana. Who work with the banana? Video with cow. Then the 24 bit the judge about the Yam well UK. At 24 bit Yam well UK, I could be no way. 24 bit Yam weary. 24 bit man, weary. What? You see you?
Yes.
When I'm
Yes. Carry on.
You understand? This was you. We are telling my Z. Isn't waiting or God turn with tell money. When they have this Z. Where have I say? Where did they know your honey? Where they buy as a father. Me and why go your account, go your account. You have here like as a God, Godfather. A God daughter where I do something wrong. Where have I say? What boy? Where did Budene? When I select your where have I say? As a good godfather. So good godfather, nothing. Good godfather, see you. Huh? Go father ya boss bedero goddaughter osimina say my goddaughter very good you can osun a goddaughter osun a big godfather you know what we tell godfather goddaughter why you beating your godfather goddaughter why are you beating your godfather see a goddaughter ilenia my goddaughter baniga am in UK say what like a goddaughter ni I like it. If there is a goddaughter or my godfather, and then godfather, goddaughter, when the goddaughter, yeah, my life with you. You understand? Truth is bitter. Okay, matter. No matter when I'm in a row, or I'm going to last catch up. People should go and settle yourself amicably. And no sense in the order naka hamona. A saga or dinner on your way. Why are you bele? Yeah, we know. Esther. Usu say na nu tai like video what are you is talo na we handle yari anyway egbene we platform we handle yari any meaning no is bringing you people down as a celebrity. Let me tell you the truth. But all of people are bigger than those things. So Lord bless you when I want to take away say net might be liable there. It's not coming to Europe. It's not coming to Europe tour. It's not coming to UK. All over. So you should be happy. You should expect enemy. Do my study come away. Don't expect where you are not from. When I take a Korean from one native daughter house to another native daughter house. It now turned to from native daughter house, now turned to from one country to another country, from another country to another country. You're not flying all over UK. You must have enemy. Expect your enemy to come. That is why I always tell people here. In any new level, there is a new devil. That's it. You understand me? So the only way to keep your enemies short is by keeping quiet and shut up your mouth. You understand? Every year I reply to. But calling presenter, you are telling no cinema presenter, you are energizing more problem, and you are losing more fans. The same time, you will still gain fans. I'm telling you the truth. With the saga, you will still gain fans, you will still lose fans. But the real people that have brain, you will lose them. Because some people will be disappointed with what they will hear from the presenter's mouth. You understand? So my guy, see all those talk when you want start person when I go make peace. Because why? It deal of my body. I felt talk the other day. If we see me go agala time and yako kene or it take God's grace. On we ask for the name of not forgive you. It take God's grace. Why are they beat a no-gay wife today? Why me they beat a no-gay wife? Why I not forgive a no-gay with your wife? Now because of what juju paper what they bring up for me. And they test you. You feel me? It take God's grace for somebody where you don't carry a name matter go native daughter to forgive you. You understand me? So let person hear what I don't talk to anybody again, don't talk to any presenter again. Esther, I gotta talk to Sue. You understand me now? It takes God's grace on where you near the body for that person to forgive you. It's just like all these our live video presenters where they do nyanga so. Where we say they don't carry many of our my name don't rain for nothing to don't sit down for my name, sit down for my name. They don't neck over the heavy day, they can't tire. You want to break their neck self. You can't expect me to follow the play. I not follow the play. Agbage also akanya agbege. We know the quarrel, but we not be friends. You understand? So use brain, not the reason all these presenters in water. No, don't tell them anything. Continue your life because they are all full of recording. Now, listen. Esteles, a recording part 1, part 2, part 3, part 6. See, now problem upon problem, what is the cause? Esther, ya me we ya kakunoro wonu. Amewe ya kakunoro wonu. Una receive me now say the advice una. Una fe no be no me o. I want peace. That's why the advice una. I want to be peace real. I don't want join one side. They beat this one. I don't want join this one. They beat this one because all of una na my family. All of una na Bini. All of us be. Whether Yekorion or Yekuselu, all of us will hear Domaya. That's the reason why I stand to be neutral. To talk to this one, where this one for wrong, to talk to this one, where this one for wrong. You understand? As soon as they are educated, if you people are educated, and I'm speaking now, you're not pick sense, that means you're not go to school. You understand? JJ Barry and 24 bits. If you guys are educated, and I speak, and you not pick sense from what I talk here, when I make peace with these guys, that's people doesn't know, you do not go to school. That not be said that they insult now, not they insult now. And I can never insult you guys. I just let usually give example. You understand? You feel me? So when I settle these people amicably and let all this noise cover down, when I make peace, when I throw party for myself, I'm a big boy. See this guy, Davido and Wizkid, which weekend here they meet for party, they embrace themselves, they hug themselves. All the beef they give for themselves, they drop out. That is love. And that's the kind of love I want where you go reign between these actress. And the people that will bring those peace are these two gentlemen. And I go bring the peace, come. You know the famous so. When I drop this quarrel, when I drop this saga, it won't make sense. I could be the father of all and act like one. I could be you are a father to all, act like one. Act as real father. Act as Odion. I don't want Dion Tikuno. Act Bologna. Act like one. Habitant quick now. Stop hey. If you want to act comedy, you throw comedy. People bust laugh. This is where the way of Yahoo comes. The way of Yahoo, you want the begubba. They don't want to even make peace at all. Because they see 24 bits as God. You are not helping that guy, you want to kill that guy. I'm telling you the truth. You see that guy as a God. You don't want to tell that guy the truth. You are not helping him, he said you are bringing him down. If you really like that guy, tear to order, whatever. Why I to make a peace in an you make peace. That's why you put a peacemaker. Oh God, what would this matter? My drink. Well, be understanding, man. Yeah, we turn on the morning. I will film our video. Why you analyze it? I analyze it. You understand? Why you analyze it? You get your ball. You're going to get your ball. You're going to get your ball. I wonder with Frank, get your ball. Now, any year, boy, swore. But up on why, man? Who do get the dinner? Look, go to one of Germany. Or you be here, or you better be weekly. I tear bona, what your bone. Only work by many years be Europe. When I am one of Bobby and I'm working. Or mighty pay go. No matter able, or mighty pay go 1 year Bobby and I go for sale. I dig you kidding. You don't do a good no men. Do I roll me? Are you not? Are you okay? Is sister you can one day okay? That have a better quiet. Oh, you wait here, ball. You wait here, ball. No, no, take time, man. You wait here, ball, Frankie. You only wait here, ball. But uncheckable goat. No, a goat hair bonner. Ebo. Ọtí ológogoro ẹ bọ̀nà ọ̀nà òun kankan yẹn ní ológogoro ọ̀nà kankan yẹn lọ́dọ̀ azọ́ burúkere ní palọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ azọ́ burúkere ọ̀dọ̀ azọ́ ìsàlù èmi ìbù náà mi ewébò depression rẹ̀ ewébò náà àpẹgbẹ ewébò èmi náà tó wá sí ó ẹni yẹn ya ẹ̀ndẹ̀ live yẹn ya ẹ̀ndẹ̀ àpẹgbẹ ewébò live video ya ẹ̀ndẹ̀ ya ìgbẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀rọ ọmọ máa mọ́ ìmọ̀ nàbí ewébò ní ẹ̀sẹ̀ ti yàn yàn pé wàá rí palọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ yóò dórí. Like of if you know like 45%, or say every, or if you know like turn out of your like oh we better we who jigri we better you who when you booking gala we hold up. Oh yeah, we already on here oga ma yo marry. Oh yeah, like getting you there, I must say go why yeah. Akba no ya da me go dey cigar go you. Eri you atitinu go na go. Mommy, I got teaching no good. Oh, where happiness is free. Yeah, it's just the way it is. It's all about positivities. It you no go. Oh, why you worry? Can can't why you can type? Oh, gay beer. Mommy, I got sick beer. And I got teaching no good. Era we no zoda. No got a layer do you any. You will no zoda. Ain't no got a little. This is one obsession again. Oh, you really may not be a call. Iran wa kona Iran. Umenwan, I don't know. You don't know this man. Don't cover the live video. Hello, Alpha. I greet you, bros. I'm not there. Where cost to go? Okay, with your wife. That man power with woman. No wala. Okay, no wala. No wala. Any I work out tomorrow, let me know. Once you reach, my partner, you come in now. So that I'll feel talk to him. I greet him. You. All right, now my people. Atitinugo. Larry. Atitinugo. Look at good one of Joe. Look at good one of Aken. Oh, I'm going where people like that. I cannot learn. Oh, my, at your bonny who on at your bonny who. Oh, no, any be at your bonnet. Oh, no, any be at your bonnet. At your no any be. I worship who no any be. Only who are in your gonic be. What will do your go? When no who near your gonic be. Why expecting that you're going to? Why am you go? One am here, one so about. When no know you're not be. Where will do your going to? What be what? You understand? No be ado ya going. Owe na ko aro. Even wa ko waro na. We yon akiri ogbe gbo awo odo. Go mati expect you go marry no ti bu ama wa. No more you people were not expecting you particularly we are alpha and omega. Constituting new zash or must see what I brought. You might blame one now. Ever trolling of you are there with a blame. You might put what you can't do and making out a do ye here. Why am I going Kwak guy wamun guy wamunya hu amwa uwa koze kewanikpa uwa webu what's what can misbehave what's what can misbehave did the be mako do I feel like I'm going to power this man I'm going to kind of professor yeah I professor of you no we give mighty de no ya professor o mighty de kini na de ye kibe webu no ya professor How can you be in Europe, 90 pay house rent? No, I think one boy in Nigeria. Or check up mama one of Germany. Where go on? Umarebu, Osagbe you are able. No, I think one will be boy in Nigeria. Oh, Jesus Christ. You don't want even you can say. I want to want to deal with not be bomb your call. No, you are my hotel. On I hear one of them boy hotel do no, you do musi. What can you do? Oh, Wayanike no awo agbon wo wa ma wa to wa gbe wa to wa musi wa this man I ma what dey go agwas is there but man like even the money go is there na go do dey be where you go you understand now ukpo we gba e bebo we kian we social media zin e bebo wan ya mo ebo gbon we live video who wa cool ebon gwa ya tie ni enwi na wana ya tie ebo mi live video ebon gwa tie wo ya video igo gwa ya re ba wa ya tie bo hon wa ya tie bo we onu arun to wala wa kinya la wa arun to wa de we ku arun to wa ya tie bo saga bobosi ogukun e prastamon sti rob no go enwi na saga no ohon wa de we kokodai enter kokodai mat may you go Lagos for person wey dey jammed for person wey dey this one now before now juju dey work for their body juju wey live video don dey face wey the camera dey face dey work baba go dey smile at the so don't be deceived, don't be afraid of all those nyama juju wey never baff juju wey you go give €100 just now they go close mouth they go carry the cost for their pikin you understand juju wey they go give €100 you go carry cost face their pikin or juju wey go cost I can't ask the juju man say why you lay that cost. He say because me not give him money. He say because me not give him money. That can cause I want to work. See, if you be presenter, all those nyama, when you know say what you they talk, you know say that truth and you stand for the truth. No matter the juju they will cost you, he not go do you anything. Don't be intimidated. Not let anybody intimidate you for the social media. And they tell you everybody now one head will carry, nobody carry two head come. You feel me so? When you want one saka wasaka. When you bad dog bad go vient you understand me now so far no when we no ta e mata no no me e ono umuzo amori ba me se we no dey you ta you understand that is the reason why God will continue to stand for you nika wa agbina no yari you know e mi ndo ya galo you understand akuna kuri won ya mu no va me no keke emi boya to le gbe na so it just be you feel me. Whether they go swear mala, I not get anybody where they join for this social media. I stand for the right thing to be done. When you are speaking the truth, when you are saying the truth, somebody will intimidate you because you are saying the truth. One go Lagos, you go use the hair carrier. If it's possible, in Peking will replace you. You understand? Peking will replace you. Or let's say that person where they go cause, it na wrong thing. False allegation. You understand me, huh? Okay, where in time where want to know. I don't know how Uraya Mori Bama, Yana Yamu Bogbo. Honu we worry. Besekoya Bolo to enjoy. One way I'm a waro ekoni. Life direct water, life pregnancy, life pregnancy. You pregnant forever till you go. Go. Sometimes you see some women and life pregnancy, that we call life pregnancy. It can happen. You understand? But if not true to the talk, nothing they happen to you, nothing they happen this you. Next time I go get about be understand me now. Yeah. But what this means enjoyment. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me you. So if you want to contribute, you can contribute, but not cost anybody. If you want to call back with this man, you can call back with this man. Don't insult anybody. Because the speaker on the cost person you give. You understand? Mama speaking on the cost person you give. The only woman I have in Europe is speaking on the cost person you give. See, hey, it's your money, more, it's your money. That's my virtual TV. I will get your money. So, what respected Gua when I go now, only get your money. What respected Gua, you get your money. What respected Gua and 1 year, Larry. Oh. when you get here, but no, man, so when I take go la water, which I live on. Wana with your bonoku, wana with your bonoku. Owokungwa metie bona wokungwa wani ikbia ni lo wutie boni ku ni wokungwa tie bona wokungwa okpe no yoko gbegbe aga webu okuno mu we ade webu okuno mu we ade webu e wetu webu webu na vigesi re o ewo e tu vi bie ka de no wu na no nye okungwa no ewo okuno mu we la webu nu we ri ye woku nu we hie we re de amune una ye age okpo ona je bi aha kinye keko una je bi no ye bi ajukpo ona je bi bie kinye komo we ya do moji ne bupo no ya gbegbe aga egbegbe ya we oni o we metie bonoku then ni meta mo ta ni meta mi obe no ni de oke a o ni brother jemi ma de oke let it ebo e ma de oke na understand so what understand you na kini ka je body no tie bonoku aje bono dis no humiliate oku ni ya me bonoku ya we tie ebo ya we tie ebo maswoko data ni na we tie ebo bana ibi mo pa gbo e na gbi o ya de yo wa de what understand you know ya de yo wa de because we ya we get tie body ko ya we get tie body ko go se e ko tie bona amu dan wa na je boy ka bo kan ho wa we na je boy yi na oni na wa tie bona ni na wa tie bona ko tie bona ko je bona je bo na wo kan kin ko kan zuwa wo kan ma mani you get tie bona ko yi tie bo you can see my WhatsApp number. That's my WhatsApp number. You understand? Hello, buongiorno. Agree to. Mama mi awe avieti mi wana gbo we no ma we gba se we ware train station na. Il est la vidéo. Okay, we Italy 38 years. Dès que we Italy. Genova sika geneti na. Agbara geneti, we geneti as Genova. 38 years. When we na. When be. Wa. Unu wa baro wa betu we rent one room bo wa. Okay, we rent one room. Okay, that's good. That's good. They can work anywhere do. Oza, we oza hun. They can whenever one word do not buy any. Do buy, they can only buy. Agbo Park. Wanaga do ta ya kive Agbo Park. I agree with you.
I don't know why. They give me joy, not be lie.
What? There you go. So, Umaika be a show. Why you care at 38 years? Umaika be a good where Salika you? The man, you could buy 38 years. We my friend again. What's your mama Konia? Now I want every time. Okay, we make it. We make it with one room. Okay, now. For real, chop and climate too. When the matter here, understand? We got a rag boy agbe. Then no kuna be mu na we ro egbe. E to mafu. Understand? When I mo kuna e to mafu obi ru egbe. Understand? I bagage bake can make an IT yamos musoy. Show understand you now.
We rise by lifting each other, you understand?
Okay, so I'm going to Italy abi Genova. I'm going to OTA. Come on, with the smart, you know, so if you don't say you did Italy, you need man. One man they are available right now. You understand? Because ethic will roll. So, but I like the body power.
No. I'm very straightforward person.
I don't work on anywhere. I'm not interested. Irawu. Usual. Why ever have you? You better you now. No, voilà. C'est là, il faut que je quitte. Okay, on s'est dit, il y a moyen. On s'est dit, il y a bien. Understand? No worry. So, why that I go look back. But anyway, you get the benny water. Jonaru. Johnny. John Osas. Oh, not John Sass. That was John Sass. Jim no ye. The make up when you were told. Make up when you were talking. What are all? Anybody winning? That's making us. I was 38 years. I'm in Jesus' name. Yeah, no one was married. One was the yeah. All the good way, one stand now. I had to wait, friend again. We got a friend again.
I got a friend. Change it up.
Now I follow up. But master is serious. Don't worry. It's very important. What I'm saying now. I tell you, woman, where can you go? No worry. I'm going to hope I'm not going to no shaking. I'll give you one woman. But that woman will get respect. I live anyway now. Now it me a single mother of your body now. You follow up now. Okay. One of you man, no worry. We'll give you better woman. You understand? So the boy you could not take bag away. No, I love Kuni, or dear. Understand? We are exercising you talk when I'm able to need fire. Understand? Oh, I didn't do no.
Yeah, calling weather. You know everything now. No, you be our Jew, that the Jew.
No, voila. They want to shake it all. One love, eh? Benny, what on it?
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. I greet you, bros. Say you fine. Say you fresh. Bro, say you fresh. You be like small picking yansh. You fresh finish. Let me greet you, pass.
I bet you did lie.
I did lie now.
Okay. Now, this thing where I tell you that, now we want to remember you.
Which one be that one?
Because I call you that day like about woman.
I don't remember I did. How many years you did?
Hey. Me? 35.
35?
Yes.
35. Which city you did?
I tell you I did
Bergamo, Italy, okay.
Yes.
You be Asian?
Yes.
To be your name?
My name,
Oh, let's say write your name for ground. Okay. That's yeah. You are right. 35. Bergamo. Don't worry. We'll give you audio. You understand? You need audio. Since you're not hearing, you need audio.
Yes.
Thank you, all right now. Play. Now where they Italy, we single man, they grand man, where they work, with the job, where they responsible, they grand. You understand? This year, all of them was connected. You understand? I must see no heartbreaking. Any heartbreaking this year, I will kill that person. Let me say, I go, no, I don't see me on the course. You understand? So please, if you don't say you need tally, you need man, responsible woman, responsible woman. The full year, responsible man for 90 years. If you don't say you be woman, you need man. You're okay. You can call me. I'll give you a number. Now go they follow up. Not they collect money put. We know they collect money for year. Not like money. We do it free for ourselves. They connect ourselves. In the stand. Now if you come there, you call they say I bring money, come here, I hook you up. I know they hook anybody up. We just they connect. Fine woman, say how you fine.
Good evening.
Oh, but your shape not be here. You don't born. This your shape. Be like what them have born.
You say?
This your shape. Not the person person without born.
I don't born one.
Akure. This one of the another one we call Akure Junction.
Now 40 years old woman, you say so.
Oh, Logbo Avenue. Now, mama, you see for your fresh like this. Oh, boily. Clear.
My brother, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
I also make I say, may I call you, may I greet you, may I hear you. I dey like your talk.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
So may God bless you.
All right, now, ciao, ciao. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, so my people. So if you need man, you need woman, call me. May I connect to man. Now here we dey do one, not be for backyard. Now here, now we dey do one. So me I heard the one way I get me, I dey give their number out. You understand? No, they do one for iki. Last, they can say, I bring money, come those backyard. After you don't talk on live video, say you know they collect money. Can't go backyard, call the tax them. You know they do those one. Hello.
Hello, Papa, what is my?
I greet you, bros. Wow, hello.
You know,
For marriage? For how long? You want last?
by 1 week.
1 week too. Let me a 60 card.
Okay, me what we will like you or not?
No, wala. 60,000 naira.
Okay, no wala. When Nigeria money send
Okay, no wala. All right, now, go to one law. The card, the marriage card. Have the marriage card is the picture of the woman. Okay, just bring the marriage card and the pictures. Send them with WhatsApp. Then the address, the location, everything. Send me the location. Okay. All right, now with you. Ciao, ciao. Yes, so not be joke. If you want to do advert for your marriage, for your burial, for your ceremony, for your birthday, book, engagement, everything, in boss about this man, I'll run out for you. You understand? But don't forget to, for those of our women, one of the listen, our women and our men, one of the listen, me and tell me one secret. I not say man for this channel with this so. They talking for that way to see they can't follow the shop. Also fertilizer. They make us not call it solid for ground. When I mean solid, no, for side bed, some of them are not solid. So if you need what you go to take, we go make it solid. Call a Paddy Murphy, the social media president. You understand? Call a pa, he will give you, go diagnose and give you. And if you be woman, your belly, you get as a B, you not quit, none they could take in. Some of now, if you see your menses, you know the flow where if you rush more, it will stop. If you rush more, it will stop. You know the flow where your menses supposed to be flow normal. You understand? Some of them on the blood, the light red like that. You can't be the black. You know the story. Call a Paddy Murphy, go give you what you would see. Everywhere with the smooth, everything with the flush. That normal 3 to 4 days now will rush where. You understand? The Paddy runner. You understand? For massaging of your womb, the Paddy runner, everything steady. You understand? Oh, why now?
Oh, bro, good too.
How your side now?
brother.
So this is Mr. Paul, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Paul from Italy. He's 39 years.
So.
He need a woman, everlasting woman where they will get at live together till they die. Agbawu. You need Agbawu, right?
Yeah.
So if you be woman, you did that, you need man. See how men they call. Nothing like they don't they hide, they don't they shame again, nothing like shame. If we are we need to tell people our feelings, you understand the be in the film. So men will be saying they need man, they call, say they need woman. Woman will need man, call. If you need man, call. We get them plenty for grant. This one not be say, if I give you a number, not going to talk. If you don't like, you go still live on. They're not the keep person for side. I will use the title, not be force. You understand? You understand? So don't study each other during the conversation. They study each other. They communicate. You understand the kind of woman we be. You understand the kind of man we be. If not those guys can't gum, all those kind of man we don't stitching. They are not the release. My brother, my sister, bag out. Not be more going to go market for you. You understand? All those kind of teacher where they use ruler they measure yam. Go plenty. Okay, my bros. No, Alan, I agree with you. All right, now, bro. You understand? And the truth now. Man like my brother, Orison. Orison, where they go market for your wife. People like Orison, now where they go market for your wife. You know, clear. Okay, now, my people. Let me give us some my fine, beautiful angels numbers. Number. I'm a joke. Abiya monsenanga iye sugi. Iye mensugi nigaga abiya monsugi. We are not banana. Some people, but what they smile, they look now. They will call report you. I go they call you. You know, pick. If I saga you now, they'll say, but what they smile. Why you not inform me first? When I release some of our women, so they feel proud. Yeah, keep them. I don't tell them me my way. Why calling me for? Why this going back when we Frank Makati? So happy says Gigi. Well. Tatu Samaya. Okay. The number where I send for you, call that person. Then I send about this man. If I give you number, call on. Then I send about this man. I'll give you number. I already know. Understand? Now go the top. Okay. Yes, so my people, I greet all of you with love. My baba for them. So can I give you Zamani? Yigamiama not the best. You are just the man going. Mundala la ma photo. Yes. Let me play one video for now. I want to play one sweet video. When I will watch Nigeria youth. No. Don't leave this one for tomorrow now. We'll leave it for tomorrow topic. Tomorrow, we'll talk to our youth. Tomorrow, it's Nigeria youth. We'll call it a day for today. Tomorrow, we'll talk to our youth. You understand? All right, my people, my beautiful people. I love you guys. You know what I'm saying? So for those of you who there from be wonders, you get as your belly they do you, as your belly they do you, picking on the good to say your belly they do the hot, all this kind of stuff. Go and meet a pie the Murphy. You understand? Good diagnosis for you. Are you where need the connection? You need about you need the connection. You need the connection. Okay. 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 All right. Okay, thank you very much, man. We want to give out your number. Okay, my people, I greet all of you now, Bethesda. Now, my people, let me give you a little advice. I've got a little advice I want you to give on a short before I go end this broadcast. Listen to this advice. If you're a mother, listen to this advice. If you are a mother, you don't get picking, girl, especially girl, boy, whether they grow. You understand? Whether they grow like 10 years that they grew for this abroad with this one, not for Germany alone, not for abroad. You understand? So for the whole world, they listen. Picking of nowadays, they do this smart. The way they take bonus, the kind of brain we carry those days is different from the one way they born now. You understand? So as a mother, you need to start the use of that techniques to follow your children. You understand? You need to have another way of training your children, especially in the aspect of beating your children. Mothers will be saying, "Fuck, picking do one thing, don't give them back, bush, big. Don't beat them." So see all those beating where they beat children, it's not a soft problem. Those beating where they beat children, it's not they help, and it's not they change anything. You make those children strong the more. You even put yourself a problem, the more you beat those children. You understand? This life does civilize past those one. Either they understand me. So I use God beg now. Mothers, make your children your best friend. Let your children be your best friend. Make your children be when I mean your best friend, your companion. You understand? When we say you don't get anything without picking, no go fit tell you. You don't get anything without picking, no go fit tell you. So for our mothers, they value money past on picking. They put fear for your children mind. They make your children they take outside as best friends. You understand? If your picking get where it grows, you don't need to beat them again. Instead, they advise them. What they need from advice? What their children need from advice? Get what your picking go do, you will call them with peace, with smile. You catch children with smile. You understand? You call them with smile, advise them, tell them say don't do this thing. After they talk, she go see the talk, or he go see the talk, go see the repeat with you. Let them know say waiting you they do so now wrong thing. Then they could learn and they copy fast. So when you're picking they do wrong, not be beating that they correct them. Use sweetness, use with good face, with good smile on your face. Say correct the wrong what you're picking they do. It not mean say you dey pamper and you dey spoil and no. Because some of our women feel say when you dey tell your pikin with dey pet your pikin from doing bad, it means say you dey pamper and you dey spoil and not be you. That mentality is not very wrong. You dey correct am from doing bad. You go learn with love. If you watch your children when you carry come from Nigeria, come Europe, you can't learn how to speak Dutch fast than even you will carry and come. You know the reason why? The teacher, when they teach them for school, they teach them with love. They teach them with smile for their face. So they learn fast with smile, with love. You understand? When you they teach your face, your school's face, they don't learn anything. They gather them, they put fear for their mind. You don't teach them something, you they put fear. They gather them, they teach them fear. You understand? So that is the reason why you mothers, more than they use brain. Because very soon, you know, so more. You understand? Very soon now, the government are just want me where some more. You know, you be if you die, you are. So I don't know. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. But they use brain. Teach your children love. Teach your children, correct your children with love. No big bang, beach, book, bag, beach, book. So now you treat the key pass. No. Because picking where they born now, they harsh where. Majority of people they born for abroad, now tramadol picking. I don't lie. Majority of the people they born for abroad here, now tramadol picking, codeine picking, they born. That's why they harsh. They paranoid, they invest like such people not. Tell your husband not take trans. When you want to satisfy you, go poor put you are be able to handle gentle. You cannot gentle. That picking must be very, very stubbornized. Don't be lie. You understand? So I use God now. What are they use brain? What are they use brain? Teach your children with love. Correct them with love. You understand? Correct them with love. Like beach back, bush. Don't be go make your children learn. I'll keep on telling these things because when I you will be set. When I bought this now, you are tiny. You understand? Why I'm going to come on you. That's no. I don't tell you that. You understand? So when I teach my children with love, alone, I agree to. Yeah, you're talking to Papa with a smile. What's all? Yeah. Is he on speaker or I did live video now. Okay, you want to talk to me? Private. Okay, no problem. No problem. That. Okay, no problem. You can come in with yeah. Come in with a WhatsApp number. All right. Ciao. Yeah. All right, my people. So correct your children with love. Be understanding me now? So let's go there. Tomorrow we'll talk. Understand? I'll do my drink. I want yeah, I don't women. Yet you wait, you senior. Understand? When you go, about this man, you know, when you laugh, you need to upgrade. We upgrade. We are not a peacemaker. That's the auto level 1 of the universe. So if you follow auto level 1 of the universe, subscribe to our page. Go and subscribe. If you follow Umenwan talk show and you never subscribe, go subscribe to our page. You see that fan badge there, subscribe. And €5, you understand? Just subscribe. Shows man, you love what we are doing. We're doing it right the way it is. You understand what I'm saying? For if you follow us for Facebook, you want to get us whenever we get come online. You understand? Subscribe to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we come online, you will be the first person to be notified. If we upload any videos, you will be the first person to be notified. And if you want to give us comment, just give us positive comments. If you give us bad comments, you know the story now. I'll block you. Don't be joke. Don't be threatening. You're not going to enjoy the joke again. You're not going to enjoy the comedy again. You don't understand. But that's what you always be. So don't worry. Always give us positive comments, and we love you all. Always thumbs up for our video. Always the press like and like. You should press those who press momo. If you like us, you can see super chat us with like €200 or €500, if possible €1,000. You understand? We don't qualify now. We don't reach like that now. I'm doing €1,000. All right, my people. I love you all. One love with better style. Wow, cool. You know they fight again. Whether you get audio, you get no audio. Let peace reign. Make peace. You understand? Let us make peace. I take back, no. Not get who you support. So stay clean, stay alone. It makes sense. Who be your friend? No friend. They feel me. Social media of stuff. No friend. Be on your own. You feel me soon, so just be one love with us style. What's up?
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully